Hi, in this lesson you will learn the accusative case. What is the accusative case and what is its purpose in a sentence? The accusative case marks the object of a verb. Look at these examples. Words colored in green are objects. How to find an object in a sentence? The object is a noun or a pronoun which you take and do something with it. You perform an action on this noun or a pronoun. I read a book. I do something with the book. I read it, I sell it, I take it, or like it, etc. He learns Korean. He does something with the Korean language. He learns it. He may teach it or like it or dislike it. We watch a movie. Again, we do something with the movie. We can watch it, download it, upload it, and so on. So, the book, Korean, and the movie are objects. I hope you understand now what object is and how to find it in a sentence. In most European languages, including English and some Southeast Asian languages, the sentence objects don't change their form, except a few words like her or him. Their infinitive form is she and he, and when they become an object, they change their form into her and him. So, unlike English, in the Korean language, you need to mark the object of a verb like so. The accusative case exists in Korean and most Altaic and Slavic languages. You may have already noticed that there are two types of the accusative case particles, 을 and 를. When a word ends with a consonant, use 을, and when it ends with a vowel, use 를. 저는 책을 읽습니다. I read a book. 그는 한국어를 좋아합니다. He likes Korean. 우리는 영어를 공부합니다. We learn English. 저는 계란을 먹습니다. I eat eggs. Now you try to make your own sentences. Here is the list of verb and noun pairs. You need to decide whether to use 을 or 를 and also 입니다 or 씁니다 sentence endings. If you want me to check your answers and give you feedback, you can write down your solution in the comment section. Well, that's all for today. Try to learn these words until the next lesson. You can also check them in the description box.